Welcome to EduLegit Step-by-Step Guide. This guide will walk you through managing users in the EduLegit application. Access the Users section. Click on Add Users, select Create User from the drop-down menu. Fill in user details. Enter the email, password, first name, and last name, and assign the appropriate role: admin, teacher, student. Send notification. Optionally, check the box to send an email notification to the user. Click the Save button to create the user account. Select Import Users from the Add Users drop-down menu to upload a CSV file with user details. Follow the specified file format guidelines. Copy the provided link and share it with the users you wish to invite. To update user profiles, click on the user's profile. Update the details, such as name, email, and roles. Administrators can restore or deactivate accounts as needed. Click the Actions menu, 3 dots, next to the user's profile. Choose Update to modify details or Delete to deactivate the account. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with EduLegit.